Hey there viewers, welcome back to another episode of Ray of All Trades. Today we're working on a very common problem that the John Deeres experience, and that is a broken front hinge for the hood. I think this one here is actually even missing a couple pieces from it. You can get the hinge with accessories from Amazon. I'll link the parts down in the description. Pretty easy to change. Looks like these must be grommets for those hinge. Screws. Got new brackets for here too. Use a 10mm. So you've got all your pieces out of the hood. And take your new piece of just like that. These little adapters here, drop into that groove. Put that screw in there. And you see how I got these attachments? This right here is going to slide over top of that metal. Same thing on this side. I'm going to snug these down. This is going to tighten up on the frame. Snug these down. Not too tight. So your hood should be able to open just like that. Okay. We're going to flip it over. We're going to slide this right up in those two grooves. One right there and one on this side. And then rest it over the top. Okay, I rested the hood on top. This bolt here needs to slide into that groove right there. And same thing on this side. So I'm going to wiggle the hood and try to get that to fall back in place. Now you want to verify that the hood is sitting correctly back here. If all that's lined up, we're going to tighten up those two bolts on the bottom, then we'll raise the hood gently and we'll put those other two bolts in. Hey, like that, they changed sizes on me. There's a 1/2 inch coming off, it's 12 going on. You don't want to over tighten that. Really try to hold this forward while you lift this hood up to make sure that it doesn't fall down, and then have those other two bolts ready. Don't forget to plug your lights back in right here, and in my case don't forget to put the carburetor and the shroud back on. That's the hood hinge on the John Deere LT series. Hope you guys got something out of the video. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks for hanging out.